तव्हांखे अंग्रेज़ी त अचे ई थी ऐं सिंधी ॻाल्हाइण जो शौक़ु अथव. So now let's learn to talk in Sindhi. English to Sindhi made easy.
Here comes the teacher. Master hite ache pyo. Rohit, come here. Rohit, hite ache. Mahesh, will you come here? Mahesh, tu hite inde. Since when have you been here? Tawa hite kade khayo? The house is on fire. Ghar ke baai lagi aahe. This is out of my control. Ye mujhe zabte khambaya rahe. God's grace is always with you. तव्हांखे हमेशा भगवान जी कृपा आहे. Don't copy others. ॿियनि जी अहल न कयो. Don't write with a pencil. Pencil सां न लिखो. Keep the fire on. बाहि चालू रखो.